Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss another interesting question from Vector. If you are new to this expert tutor channel, please do subscribe. Also, we have done many videos regarding vectors. If you'd like to watch them, I have given the link in the description so you can always watch them. So in this question we are going to discuss about how to do this one. Also, the question is the unit vector a, b, c follow the property of a cross b cross c is equals to half b. Find the angle between a and c. So it might be look like difficult, but there are some methods you need to follow to find the answer. However, if you are new to this question, I have given the link, the questions link in the description, so you can always watch that. After that, you try to do it in your own. There are several questions, try to do those. If you have any doubts, please comment it below, and after that please watch the rest of the video. Okay, let's start with this one. So in this video we are going to discuss the question in the first main section, B part. So they have given, first of all, if you have given some data, please note that first of all. So here they have given there are a, b, c vectors, and they are unit vectors, so you can write it like this is equals to 1. As they are the unit vectors, you can write it like this one. So in the next line they have given a data a cross b cross c is equals to half b. Find the angle between a and c. So they are asking about the angle between a and c. So the concept over here is, first of all, you need to know what to do first. As you see this one, there is a triple cross product. First of all, we need to do this part. So that's the main idea. So when you get stuck in this one, how to do or how to remember that equation. So if you don't know the equation, you can't continue this question. So that's the main thing. So actually you need to know the equation first of all. So if I write the equation over here, if you don't know the equation, I have given in the link below. Please remember that before doing this. So we are going to write this b vector minus c vector. After that, you need to do you need to write other two vectors in front of this. It's going to be a vector, so I don't need to write this one, it's okay, a into c, and it's going to be a into b. So that's the thing. Okay, I have written. So first of all, we need to write this one as we knew only this one. So how to simplify this? Actually we don't know, however it's not a problem. So let's try whether we can get any ideas in from this one. Let's say what's happening over here. Over here we can see that we are taking the cross product of two vectors b and c. So if I draw like this, let's say this is a b vector, b unit vector, and in this side there's a c unit vector. Actually we don't know the angle, it's okay. If we take cross product of this one, what's the angle of that? We can directly tell it's going to be vertical or perpendicular to this plane, CB plane. As if we are taking the cross product, it's going to be vertical to this plane. So in this plane it's going to be vertical in this plane, let's say in this direction. So we need to take another vector called a. Actually we don't know the direction of a, it's not a problem over here, but the thing here is, if we take the cross product between a and c, it's going to return in the direction of b, which simply shows, let's say this is the resultant vector of b cross c. If we take another vector a and make a cross product between this and a vector, it's going to return in the direction of this one, in this direction. So we can directly tell it's going to be like this or this. Like say it's going to be in this direction. Let's say this is in this direction. So it's going to return, say, so let's load like this. It's going to be perpendicular to this plane. So it's going to be perpendicular to this plane. So that's the main thing. So what can we tell from this? So that's the question. What can we tell from this? Actually, I have drawn a little bit clumsy. Let's say it's in the 90 degrees. So let's mark it like this is 90. So if we draw a line like this, the A vector is also going to have 90 with this B. Actually, I have directly tell that because if we take the cross product between two products, the resultant would be 90 degrees from these two vectors, so this plane. So we can tell the B is going to make 90 degrees with this A vector. So that's the main point you need to take to solve this one. So we can directly tell A is going to be perpendicular to B. From this, we can directly tell if this is a vertical or it's carrying the right angle, we can directly tell the A dot B would be 0. So here we can tell it's going to be 0. That's the main thing you need to take this. Otherwise, you can't solve this. It would be very difficult to do this one. So the next thing over here, we can directly tell it's going to be equals to A dot C B is equals to half B. So the question is, how are we going to solve this one? So let's try this. So this is not a big deal. We can directly tell, let's say we can have the dot product by B in the two sides, as these are the dot product, and we can tell this A dot C is the coefficient of B vector, which simply means this is going to return a number. This is going to be half. In other terms, we can tell this is going to be half because these two vectors are equal. So we can directly tell A dot C is equals to half. So in other terms, we can tell you can take the dot product with B in these two sides. If I take the dot product between B with another B, it's going to return the value of 1, which simply get this equation. A dot C would be half. In other terms, you can directly tell A dot C is going to be half as these two vectors are same. So if I take this one, we can directly write it's going to be A into C into cos theta is equal to half. So actually we knew that it's going to be 1, so the cos theta would be half. They are asking about the angle. We can directly tell that as the cos theta is equal to half, theta is going to be pi by 3. Actually we can directly tell it's not over than pi by 2, as the cosine value is plus. We can tell it's going to lie in the first quadrant, so it's going to be pi by 3. Hope this is an interesting question than other questions we have already discussed. If you'd like to watch any other videos regarding any engineering subjects, I have given the link in the description too, so you can always watch them. Please subscribe the channel and let you know any suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.